Howdy, this is Jimmy with CattleMax, and I'm here to show you how to make tax preparation and organization easier for you and your accountant this year with the CattleMax End of the Year Organizer. From the dashboard of your CattleMax account, click the financial icon under the Management section. This opens the financial summary for the current year. In the upper right corner under Financial Links is the End of the Year Organizer. Click that link. This screen opens to the financial data for the last full year. You see a summary of your purchases and other expenses, sales and other income, and death loss. You have two download options, a PDF or spreadsheet version. The PDF opens to a nice layout, easy for your accountant to follow and find the information important to filling out your tax returns. The spreadsheet view allows you to adjust your data by adding other income or expenses not kept in CattleMax before printing and taking to your accountant. This is how easy it is to gather your operations, income, and expenses at tax time using CattleMax's End of the Year Organizer.